Today I am going to show you how to make a piston. So first of all, I go to file menu and open this file. This is my piston file. So I click open. This is my piston which I made yesterday. So I'm going to show you the process how I made this. So first of all, you start from sketch. This is my first sketch. If I edit this here, this is the dimension of sketch. This is 85. This is 85. Okay. So after casing this, go to feature menu and extrude both base. So I extrude this and I extrude this up to 90 millimeter. This is my extrude to 90 millimeter. Then I sketch this. This is a circle with diameter is 79 millimeter. This is 79 millimeter circle. Okay. After creating a circle with concentric of previous circle, yes, I made this first one. Then apply cut extrude. This circle is drawn in here, the origin point of our parts, and so I offset this from this origin point to 7.3 millimeter, and the cut extrude is 4.3 millimeter, and this is not this side, this is flip side to cut. Okay, it's cut outer part. This is my circle, this is my circle, and this cut outward, so flip side to outward. So okay. So this is my cut extrude. After cut extrude, I make a pattern, and this is 3 pattern. This is my pattern. This pattern you will find this linear pattern here. So axis of pattern, I use axis of pattern of this. If you don't show this, please go to here and click this view axis, then it will be appear here, and here is the spacing between cut extrude is 11.6 millimeter and number of cut equal to 3. If I make number increase, this will be increase. Okay, and our pattern feature is cut extrude. If you can select this, go this drop down and select this cut extrude. So this is our piston ring pattern created. After this, I create this sketch. This is our this is also concentric of this origin point, and the diameter of this sketch is 76 millimeter. After creating this, go to feature menu and use cut, extruded cut. I exit this and here extruded cut. So I use this extruded cut, this and this extruded cut is from this plane to up to this, and this extruded cut is up to 85 millimeter. 85 millimeter. Okay, and our total length was 90 millimeter, and this cut is 85 millimeter, and this uncut thickness is 5. After this, I create a dome, and this here, this is for our design. This is our dome. If you don't find these tools, go to command and search dome. It will show you where is the dome. The dome is in the insert, feature, and dome. Okay, so if I show this is dome face. We selected this face to dome, and the dome distance is 5 millimeter. So this is our dome. If I increase this, it will be increased. So after creating dome, we use this cut. So for this cut, I use a sketch. And this sketch is, I think this is right plane, no, front plane. This sketch is drawn in front plane here, and the diameter of sketch is 33.8, and thus the distance from origin to this center is 27 millimeter. So after sketching this, use cut extrude. Cut extrude feature is available in here, and this cut is throws all both. It will cut all throughout. Okay. After creating this, this sketch was drawn, and this is here, and you can draw this by line tool, and here this can be happened by a 3-point arc also. And this is 50 millimeter, this height is 12 millimeter, and the radius of this circle is 40 millimeter, and this circle center is not coincident with this origin point. This is here. If this sketch is not fully defined, I relation between this and this will be vertical. Okay, and then this circle will be in right place. Okay, after creating this sketch, go to cut extrude and extrude this through the both. This will be cut this, and our basic cylinder is complete almost. Then after this, go to fillet option. Fillet option is available in here, and click this edge. I selected it to 4 edge, and the diameter of this fillet is 10 millimeter. Okay, this create this boss extrude. Okay, so this boss extrude is done by using a circle. That diameter of circle is 45, and this is offset from offset below is 19 millimeter from this front plane. Okay, and up to next, and this will be extrude to up to this surface. And after this, mirror this component by using mirror. Then select this feature, mirror face on plane. First of all, if I show this front plane, this is our front plane, and feature to mirror, I want to feature this. I want to mirror this feature, so selected this extruder bus. If you can't select this from here, you can also select this from boss extrude cut here. It will be mirror this. So this is the process of making a piston. I hope you enjoy this video, and let me know what you can make this or not in comment section of this video. Thank you all.